Morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Chris back again at Oz Canopies and 4x4 today. We've got a special one for you, right? We've got one of the RFS vehicles in from the Barara Water Station that is going to get one of our canopies fitted. This one was probably fitted when the ute was new, and then unfortunately the rear glass is gone. So difficult to get parts on these older canopies, so we may as well. I guess the council has organised a replacement of the entirety of the canopy, so we're going to get into it. Other than that, we'll see you guys at the end. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed the fitment process really of the canopy and the removal, I guess, of the old one. Very, very straightforward. As you can see, we'll just go through the features of the canopy while we're at it. These ones have central locking on the rear door as standard. So I'll go ahead and unlock that, show you guys. Very, very straightforward. So does what a canopy should do, keeps whatever in the back dry and secure. We've got a couple of additional features on all of our fiberglass canopies. One, they all come standard with the central locking on the rear door. They've got lift up windows on both sides as standard. You've got the interior vinyl, you've got the front sliding window so you can clean the rear window of the cab a little bit easier. And you know what, we've still got them for these old Hilux girls, right? They're about there. I think there's been 10 years since the N70's been discontinued, and I think this one's even older than that. Other than that, if you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Like, subscribe, notification bell, you know what to do. Leave a comment if you want to leave a comment, and we'll see you guys on the next one.